Okay, hi Year 12, welcome to a product analysis of an Anglepoise lamp that I'm going to show you. You're going to analyse its materials and how it's made. So we start off with a couple of components that were quite tricky to put together initially. These are made of plastic. That was the first terms module. We're now looking at metals, so every metal component I want you to analyse how it was made. This nut is actually placed inside a recess inside that plastic component, and that's just secured in there like that. So as I spin the plastic component, well, it would fall off that way. So I've only built this once. It's actually a component from a quite famous Swedish company, which I'd like you to go and analyse, find the documentation that is online, and it also talks about some of the manufacturing processes that are on there. So that acts as a clamp. Okay, that goes on the side of a table like that. It's fiddling about. So there we go. And we can just tighten it up. That's nice and secure. Oops. There you go. Nice and secure. It could also be placed on a wall if you put 4 screws in there. So it's got a bit of extra functionality. Once that's in place, the actual Anglepoise lamp slots directly into the slot, and that's it, 90% complete. Swivels like so, and you'll notice it's got a spring that can move backwards and forwards. It can also move up and down in that plane. It comes with a couple of springs that are placed on like that, and there's one just this side as well. So notice the frame is a grey colour. How did it become grey? What was it manufactured with? And a couple of key points about this frame, which is what I want you to analyse. First of all, these are metal tubes, but if you look at the end, it's got a plastic fitting at the end, and a couple of things about this idea of a recess inside a plastic component to hold the nut. There's no head on that, so it's just compressed by friction to allow you to tighten that control up for the actual head of the lamp. That metallic component here, which is detailed on the Ikea website, is actually knurled, and you've done knurling, and that assists with the friction in its functionality. The next component is the lampshade. The lampshade has got some quite detailed markings there, which are direct from manufacture. What they do, they allow the lamp just to slot in there and twist, and that's it. Okay, it's all ready to go. It doesn't come with a lamp, you have to buy one of those. That gets twisted and placed in there. So throughout all of this product, its materials and its functionality and how it's made is what I'd like you to analyse. The reason I'm showing you this is because we can't go into the workshop at the moment, so hence we're analysing it here. That's one function, but it can't actually go any further back than that. This can move up and down, but if I wanted it to go higher in that plane, it stops there. So it has a limited functionality. That could be adjusted with this component here if it was designed slightly better. The height difference from where you typically be sat, as you can see, is doesn't go any higher than that, which is could have something to do with the ergonomics if you're sat at yay high, and what's the difference between the height that you'd need to see at. Switch comes with it. Nice, fits in your hand. Standard plug, and that's it. Ready to go. So look online, please, for exactly what I'd like you to do with regards to manufacture, components, its life cycle, how it's made, and I'll see you soon.